Hi guys, welcome to TechDine. Today I'm going to show you how to create a permanent meeting link on Google Meet. First, press on the Google Apps icon on your right and go to Google Calendar. This is Google Calendar. Now, press on the Create button on your left. Here, add the title of your meeting. Mine will be Computer Science. Now we're gonna set the day, date and time of the meeting. Here you can see the day and date. Click on it and you can see a mini calendar will appear. Now set the date of your meeting. My first meeting will be on 24th. Now I'm gonna set the timing of my meeting. My meeting is from 5 p.m. till 7 p.m. As you can see, when you click on the finishing time, the Google Calendar automatically shows you the duration of the meeting from the starting time in the bracket. So my meeting is going to be for 2 hours, which will end at 7 p.m. Here it shows does not repeat, which means the link that we're going to create later can be only used once. My meeting is going to be on every Wednesday. So I'm gonna click on weekly on Wednesday. If let's say your meeting is gonna be on every weekday, you can click on every weekday. You can also customize according to your preference by clicking on the custom. Okay, now we're gonna generate the meeting link. Click on the blue button. The meeting link has been generated. This will be my meeting link. Now, everything is done, save it. If you look at my calendar, on every Wednesdays, there will be an event created called Computer Science from 5 till 7 p.m. Now I'm gonna show you how to share the link with others. Click on the event and copy the link. The link has been copied. Now you can share to anyone you want. Okay, let's try our first meet. Open a new tab, paste the link. Here you go. Always check the account that you're gonna use to enter the meet. If let's say you want to switch the account, just click on the switch account button. You can always delete or edit your event. Now I'm gonna teach you how to delete an event. On April 28th, I'm not gonna have any meeting, so I'm gonna delete the event. Click on the trash bin icon. As you can see, there are 3 options on how to delete a particular event. I'm gonna delete only this event, so click on this event and save it. As you can see, the event on the particular day has been deleted. But when you check on other Wednesdays, the event is still there. If you want to delete all the events we created just now, just click on all events and save it. Automatically all events we created just now will be deleted. So that's all from me guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share my video. Goodbye.